Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question what's the bird feeder with camera with the largest Wi-Fi range, and I think it's this one, at least from all the bird feeders which I have tested. I think that's the one here. It's a little bit a crazy story. Unfortunately, I don't have it anymore. I mean, I get a lot of such devices to test, and then I usually try to sell stuff which I don't need for very low price. This one here I tried to sell for only $20 and nobody wanted it, despite it came actually with a 64 gigabytes storage card and a really good solar panel, which are already worth more than the $20, but nobody was interested. So I decided to dump the camera, keep the storage card and the solar panel. And so this is what happened. I took everything apart, left the camera in the case here and put it into the garbage bin. And so what happened, of course, a couple of days later, the truck showed up to collect the garbage. You can see that's the large trash can here at the curb. Can show you that. Can see 2:20 p.m. they took it and dumped everything into the truck. Of course, that's just a small clip. I don't have everything. And now the absolute crazy thing, the camera from this bird feeder has captured a photo exactly in the moment when they put everything into the dumpster truck. You can see the time here. It's a little bit off. Maybe they were collecting some other things from the neighbors or so, but it's definitely this time, this day. You can double check date and time here. So it was definitely at this time when the camera was shooting its last picture, more or less. Here I have another one. I think that's from below up to the tree, to the top of the dumpster truck. There's even this red light here visible, and so the camera was already inside of the dumpster truck and it was still capable to transmit this image here to the Wi-Fi router, which was sitting in my home pretty far away. You can already see here the distance, but that's not everything. There is even more to that. I would say that's the distance here, about from here to here. I've put this line on Google Maps and it says around 82 feet or 25 meters, maybe even a little bit more. And of course the Wi-Fi router is inside of a double pane window and even sitting behind the TV. And I had already many cameras or bird feeders in this area here or even here. I've tried one here close to this tree here and it gave me very bad reception. A lot of breakups with the footage, real huge problems. But this one here has really been able to transmit the signal even when being already in the dumpster truck. That's pretty crazy. That's something which I have definitely not been expecting. And the crazy thing is this camera here does not use an external antenna. I've already tested a couple of bird feeders with external antennas. This one has just an antenna here built in into this small camera, but it looks like it's so advanced that it's capable to transmit over very long distance. That's absolutely amazing. Yeah, really crazy. I never got a photo from inside of the dumpster truck. I mean, of course, that was the last image. And of course, it didn't record a video because I had already removed the microSD card. And of course, I wouldn't have been able to access the footage because the dumpster truck was already away. So that's the only thing which was possible. But that's absolutely crazy. So if you're planning to buy a smart bird feeder which you want to put pretty far from a Wi-Fi router and you are not sure about if you get a signal there, I would say Pro Aim X, that's your best option. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.